Hello, hey, Brady Theodore here, and I want to help you get on the path that I'm on. I want to help you in your life to feel better physically, mentally, emotionally. In the last 30 days, I have found the way to make your life better, easier, more carefree, both in your health and in your wealth. I'm just like you for years, thinking day to day that this was normal. Every day was the same thing. Not a good night's sleep, wake up with no energy, not really wanting to put my feet on the floor because I knew what it was going to feel like, not wanting to get started in my day because I knew what it was going to be like. The same rat race, the same stresses, bosses, financial problems, health worries, kids, spouses, driving, traffic, politics, race, religion, all coming at me, not knowing how to handle it, not even wanting to deal with it, and just feeling like, why? What's it all about, Alfie? And then I was offered an opportunity to try a new adaptogenic blend, all natural, 100% plant-based adaptogens in an herbal elixir, 2 teaspoons a day. I was told it would change my life. I thought, sure, yeah, that's going to happen. I've tried pharmaceuticals. I've tried CBD. I've tried alcohol, tobacco, you name it. I've tried it. Still, no sleep, no rest, no energy, too many aches, lots of inflammation. And I thought there was just no way out until I actually tried it. And this right here, Solera, the only elixir that I've found in the marketplace that can deal with all pathways, all biological pathways in your body, in your systems, to reduce stress, reduce inflammation, make you feel better. And it works. It has worked. I've been using this for over 30 days, and I cannot believe the difference I feel both physically and mentally. I now sleep 7 or 8 hours every night, undisturbed, hitting REM sleep, waking up in the morning, and when my eyes open, I have this feeling that I cannot wait to put my feet on the floor because number one, I know that there's not going to be any aches, there's not going to be any pains, there's not going to be any inflammation, and I can get up and start my day. And as I'm starting my day, my thoughts are already clear. I know what I want to do today. I know how I feel. It's a total sense of well-being. Looking forward to everything that can happen. I haven't felt like this since I was a child. And it is awesome. It is wonderful. Again, the only thing that I found that worked for me. And not only is it working to reduce stress in my life, to reduce the inflammation, to give me a good night's sleep, but as I tell people about it, they're using it. They're finding out the same results that I'm having. And when they use it, of course, I earn a little bit of money from it. But you can do this too. So easy. Just get on this path right behind me. The path is there. The journey starts now. Come with me. Feel better about life. Better your health. Better your wealth. Everything will work out. This is the best thing that I have found ever. And I'll never live another day of my life without it. Come join me. Jump below, touch that button, find out exactly what I'm doing, and hit the path with me. You won't regret it. You won't turn back. There'll be no more forks in the road. Feel better about life. Feel better about yourself, your health, and your wealth. Anyway, I'll see y'all real soon.